In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to ActiveCampaign as a virtual assistant. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly what to do each time you need to access a client's account, and you'll feel confident that you're doing it correctly and securely. Let's start with the very first thing you need, the correct account URL. ActiveCampaign accounts are usually accessed through a unique link that's specific to each client's workspace. Your client should provide this URL to you in advance, often in your onboarding documents or a secure password manager. Make sure you save this link somewhere safe and easy to find, because you'll be using the same URL every time you log in for that particular client. Open your browser and type or paste that account URL into the address bar at the top. Press Enter, and you should be taken to the ActiveCampaign login page for that specific account. Take a quick moment to check that the page looks correct and that the address in the bar matches what your client shared with you. This is a simple habit that helps you avoid phishing pages or logging into the wrong account. Once you're on the login page, you'll see two main fields, one for your email address and one for your password. In the email field, enter the email address that has been assigned to you for this client. Depending on how your client is set up, this might be your own work email or a shared VA email created just for this account. Be sure to type it carefully, especially if it includes dots or special characters, as even a small typo can cause login errors. Next, move to the password field and enter the password given to you. If your client shared the password through a secure tool, you can usually copy and paste it to avoid mistakes. When possible, use a reputable password manager so you don't have to retype it every time, and you reduce the risk of storing it in an unsafe place. After you've entered both your email and password, look over them one more time to confirm everything is correct, then click the login button. If the details are correct, you'll be taken into the client's ActiveCampaign dashboard where you can begin your tasks. If the login doesn't work, double-check the account URL, your email, and your password, and confirm with your client if necessary. But in most cases, following these simple steps will get you into ActiveCampaign quickly and efficiently as a VA.